spoken by any citizen would be unlawful. That they are spoken by the head of a state in charge and a commander-in-chief makes it even more worrying.
Makiria LSK maugite mari na uma muiganu kuona thutha wa miario iyo macungirira ni kunyitwo migwate kwa muhuri biashara Jason Trai uria urakuruhanio na wigwatiri wa kiganda gia cukari kia mumias.
So by implication, it would be not far-fetched to say that the state had a hand in the abduction of Mr. Rai.
Oho LSK ni makomithitie Ruto ni kurutira mukana mawakili aria mahandite ciira igoti-ini wa kugiririria ruhonge rwa KRA guthuthuria ahuri biashara aya iguru rigi urihi wa magoti na aha magiteterithia kihoto kia o mundu kuhuthira igoti.
By issuing the very chilling threats that he did to those who have filed cases with regards to the ownership and control of Mumias Sugar.
Kwamba hilo ni swala ambalo wazi kabisa linakiuka katiba yetu na hatuwezi kukubali kama wananchi wa Kenya kurudishwa katika siku za kale.
Ciiko cia uragani na andu kunyitwo migwate ni cianyihite Ruto
and to remind the president where he as an individual is coming from and where his government committed to take this country to. As the chairman of the Law Society of Kenya rightfully put it, in the beginning we saw positive changes. Actually, as human rights organizations, we recorded the least number of extrajudicial killings and forced disappearances, immediately after the SSU were disbanded.
Handu-ini ha Muthingi TV, ritwa riakwa ni Chege wa Wanjohi.
Na